Want to see your approval odds before the hard credit pull? Pre-qualifying for a Bank of America credit card gives you a soft-check glimpse at offers tailored for you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The best way is to log into your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to the Offers or Credit Cards section. Here, you'll often see your pre-qualified or special offers with your name on them. You can also use the pre-qualification tool on their public website, which will ask for basic info like your name, address, and the last 4 digits of your SSN for a soft credit check. My crucial pro tip? Pre-qualification doesn't guarantee approval. It's a strong indicator, but the final application will involve a hard credit pull and more detailed underwriting. However, if you see a pre-qualified offer for a card you want, your chances are very good. Check your eligibility without impacting your credit score. Have you ever been surprised by a pre-qualified offer you received? For more strategic credit insights, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.